Hello everyone, David A. Cox here with Tech Talk America, and today it is my pleasure to announce to all of you that I'm about to begin offering a series of video tutorials all about how to build your own website. Now we're going to be using a technology called Wix, which I fell in love with a few months ago, have spent a lot of time using, and I really have to say it is an amazing technology for everyday people. You do not need to know how to code or do anything like that in this class. So instead of offering one class that goes through everything, which would inevitably be many, many hours long, we're going to do a bunch of short video tutorials. And if you would like to follow them, you can find all of them on the Tech Talk America YouTube page. Look for the playlist called Wix Tutorials. And I wanted to start today with an introduction because I wanted to share with all of you the reason why I wanted to do this. Over the years, after working with thousands of people, literally from all over the globe, one of the things that I have seen happen time and time again is this very odd relationship between small business owners and their webmaster. Because many times when a small business has someone who creates a website for them, they don't actually work for them. They're contracted out. And too many times I have seen this exact same scenario play out where the relationship starts off fine. The website looks fine. But over time, maybe the web designer just gets sloppy with communication, they move on to other projects, whatever the reason is, but it ultimately leaves the small business owner just kind of not really knowing what to do with their website. The point of this entire series that I'm about to begin offering, it's not really so much about web design. I want to teach you empowerment. I want to teach you all at home how to take back the reins for your business. Or if you're looking to start a business and you just really didn't know how to do it, this is going to save you a lot of money. So I would like to have a very open relationship with all of you, so I just want to explain how this works. I did decide to become an affiliate of Wix. And so if you decide to kind of join me on this journey, the one thing that I request is if you would please consider using my link, which you'll see in the description of this video when you initially go to sign up. Same price had you found it on your own, it's just that I get a small commission, which helps allow me to keep doing these videos. So I hope to see you there, and I encourage you, if you have questions over the course of these series of videos, please feel free to leave comments in the section below, because I'm going to be scanning it periodically, looking for ideas for new little videos to do, and hopefully we'll put together quite a full playlist for all of you to enjoy. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.